Hello friends, welcome to EC Academy. In this lecture, let us understand DeMorgan's theorem. There are two DeMorgan's theorem. First theorem states that the complement of a product of variables is equal to the sum of individual complements of the variables. So if we take two variables x and y, then the complement of product of x and y will be equal to sum of individual complements x bar and y bar. So the second theorem states that the complement of a sum of variables is equal to the product of individual complements of the variable. So complement of sum of variables will be equal to product of individual complements of variable. Now we need to prove this theorem. To prove this, let us take the table where we are taking the variables x and y. Then we will take the complement of these two variables x bar and y bar. We will take AND operation of x and y, complement of AND operation. Then we will take x bar plus y bar. Then we will take the OR operation of x and y. Then complement of OR operation, and we will finally take x bar and y bar. So we need to prove x dot y bar will be equal to x bar plus y bar, and x plus y bar will be equal to x bar dot y bar. Now first let us write x bar, which is complement of x. So x is having the value 0, 0, 1, 1. Complement of x will be equal to 1, 1, 0, 0. So x bar will be equal to 1, 1, 0, 0. Now let us find y bar, which is complement of y. So y is having the value 0, 1, 0, 1. Complement of y will be 1, 0, 1, 0. So complement of y will be 1, 0, 1, 0. Let us take x dot y, which is AND operation of x and y. So 0 and 0, it will be 0. 0 and 1, it will be 0. 1 and 0, it will be 0. And 1 and 1 will be 1. So it will be 0, 0, 0, 1. Now let us find x and y whole bar, which is complement of x and y. So complement of x and y will be 1, 1, 1, 0. So complement of x and y will be 1, 1, 1 and 0. Now let us find x bar plus y bar. So which means we need to perform OR operation between x bar and y bar. So 1 or 1, it will be 1. 1 or 0, it will be 1. 0 or 1, it will be 1. 0 or 0, it will be 0. So we will get 1, 1, 1 and 0. Now let us find the OR operation of x and y, which is x or y. So 0 or 0, it will be 0. 0 or 1, it will be 1. 1 or 0, it will be 1. 1 or 1, it will be 1. So x plus y will be 0, 1, 1 and 1. Now let us find the complement of x plus y. So which is x plus y whole bar. So complement of x plus y will be 1, 0, 0, 0. So we'll get 1, 0, 0 and 0. Now let us find AND operation of x bar and y bar. So which will be x bar dot y bar. So AND operation of x bar and y bar will be 1 and 1, it will be 1. 1 and 0, it will be 0. 0 and 1, it will be 0. 0 and 0, it will be 0. So x bar dot y bar will be 1, 0, 0, 0. Now if you observe these two columns and these two columns, we can say x dot y bar is having the same value as x bar plus y bar, and x plus y bar are having the same value as x bar dot y bar. So we have proved the DeMorgan's theorem. This is about DeMorgan's theorem. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.